Hey everyone, I'm Shada and welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we created a simple 3D cylinder in CATIA using PyCATIA. Today, we'll take it one step further and make a parametric cylinder so you can easily change its height and radius without manually editing the code. I'll leave the code on GitHub so you can download it and try it out yourself. Alright, first we just import PyCATIA so we can actually talk to CATIA from Python. Step 1, connect to CATIA and create a new part document. Here we start a new CATIA session, make a fresh catbot, and grab the part object so we can work with it. Access to access main body and XY plane. Now we pick the main body, set it as the active work object, and grab the XY plane from the origin so we can start sketching on it. Step 3, create parameters for radius and height. Here we were getting the parameters object from the part, then we create two real parameters, one called cylinder radius with a value of 20 millimeter and another called cylinder height with a value of 60 millimeters. Real just means their numeric values, so we can use them as dimensions in our model. This way we can easily change the cylinder's radius or height later on. Step 4, create a sketch on XY plane. Next, we add a new sketch on the XY plane. That's where we'll draw the base circle for our cylinder. Step 5, draw a circle with the radius parameter. Here we jump into the sketcher, draw a circle at the origin using our radius parameter, and then close the sketch. Step 6, pad the sketch using height parameter. Now we take the circle sketch and pad it up using the height parameter. This gives us our model, our 3D cylinder. Here we grab the shape factory, which is what lets us build 3D features. Then we turn our sketch into a reference and use it to create a pad with the height parameters. That's what actually makes the solid cylinder. Step 7, update the part. Finally, we update the part and print a message. Now the cylinder is fully parametric and we can tweak the radius or height anytime. And that's it. We've built a fully parametric cylinder in CATIA using PyCATIA. I leave the code on GitHub so you can download it and try it out yourself. If you'd like to join me on the journey, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, just drop a comment below. I'll read them all and I'll reply. Your support really helps the channel grow and reach more people, so thanks a lot for watching. The next video is on the way and I'll see you there.